Hello, and welcome to this session on a back channel chat. A back channel chat is basically how you can facilitate a conversation within a conversation in your classroom. So if we go to backchannelchat.com, I believe it's .com. Okay, so backchannelchat.com, and it is free to use as an educator. And basically, how this works is if I am lecturing in my classroom, students can be having a chat and the teacher can be facilitating it as well, behind the lecture, behind the conversation. So if I set this up, I go to backchannelchat.com, try free, my display name, I could say Rebecca, and I could title it Lecture 1.0. Okay, I click Start. All you need to do is give your students, so for example, how your students would do it, they'd go to backchannelchat.com and then their display name, it might be John. The code is right here, the end of the URL. So you would give the code to the students, they join as a student, and then they're in. So now you can see here, I'm here as a teacher, and then John's there. That's everything it is. So for example, he might say, "Hi, classmates," and then it sends. And then maybe I'll respond in the chat, "Good morning, John. How are you?" Again, it's up to you you might say, "I want to see this and that." Like, I want to see proper English. You could say that. If not, it could be, you're appropriate, you're responsible. Because what happens is when you are lecturing, kids might have questions, but some of your students might be able to answer it instead of you. And so it's nice to say, like, "Hey, does anyone know what this means?" And maybe a student can answer it for you. The other nice thing is that if I go to settings, I can download the transcript so you can see what students were saying. You can respond as well. You can also check the stats. Sorry, I have it in the student one. So eventually, when you have a lot of students in here, it'll tell you how many times each person responded. So back channel chats, they used to be called like Today's Meet, but now they started charging. So educators have been using the back channel chat as their back channel. Some other ways that teachers have used this is during a video showing, if you're doing a video or a skit and you're acting it out. Again, like I said, with lectures, Socratic seminar, there's all different ways you can use it, and it's as simple as creating one in literally 30 seconds. You saw me do that. This will save, but I would also, like, you don't have an account in here, so I would also just copy and paste that link so you have it. If you have any questions, please feel free to post or email me at rgibney@iu17.org. Thanks.